All right, what up, guys? We got our last gold top spacewalker rocket, which I'm about to demo out. For you guys who haven't seen this rocket, it's kind of like a ring effect, I believe. But we're going to shoot that off real fast and shoot off some more fireworks. And yeah, so stay tuned. All right, we are on our way to get a cone, something to launch this off of. This one's already, yeah, this cone will do. Just grab this. We're gonna head over in this park area if you guys can see that. All right, we got this set up in this cone. This might take a little bit because it is windy and I do not have a torch. You guys know the drill. All right, here we go. Got Bamboozle, 42 shot by Brothers. I'm gonna light this off. Yep, hit it. 42 shot, Bamboozle by Brothers. Haha.